Today on Currie Explained, we're going to go over our 35-spline Pro Case third members. Welcome back to Currie Explained. I'm Jon Henson, and today I want to talk about our Pro Case 35-spline third members. Our Pro Case is going to be our nodular iron case designed in-house at Currie. It's going to be our extra rib cases like this with the Currie C right on the front. That's how you're going to know it's our Pro Case. Our Pro Case is for a 35-spline differential. So the 35-spline differentials all have a 3 1/4 carrier bearing. So you'll hear that a lot. A 3 1/4 case, what does that even mean? We're talking about the carrier bearing size here, which is specific to going to a 35-spline third member and using a 35-spline differential. The differentials that are going to be available for the 35-spline Pro Case or the 3 1/4 case are going to include a Truetrac, a Wavetrac, a spool, Detroit locker, all of which are going to have some specific applications that you're going to want to use depending on how you use the vehicle. The Pro Case also is going to be equipped with our aluminum big bearing pinion support, all of which do come equipped with our specific pinion support bolts, not just a standard grade 8 bolt and a washer, and are also going to use a 1350 chromoly Currie yoke. We standardized on a 1350 yoke only because it's easily adaptable depending on what size your drive shaft U-joint might be, and it's something that is universal across the aftermarket. If you tell your drive shaft guy, I've got a 1350 yoke on my third member, he's going to be able to equip your drive shaft with the correct U-joint. Gear ratios are all of the 9-inch that's going to be available to you. You guys are already kind of familiar with those. There's a lot to choose from. 3.0 all the way up to 6.0 and everything in between. In stock are going to be our popular third members. We're going to have those in stock in a 350 gear, 370 gear, and a 411 gear. If you need anything outside of those gear ratios, please feel free to check our website for all the available options. For any other questions regarding our Pro Case third member in 35-spline or any of the options, please feel free to give us a call, send us an email, or leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe here. For more Currie tech videos, click right here. And for other Currie content, click right here. Thanks for watching, guys.